10 Best NFTs Online Courses to Learn NFTs from Udemy. First course, the Complete NFT Course, Learn Everything about NFTs. This course is instructed by Enrique Sentiero. It's rated as best-selling course, and the course duration will be 4.5 hours and rated 4.4 out of 5 by 1,807 students. By end of this course, you will learn about NFT use cases, NFT smart contracts, NFT minting, IPFS storage, investing, selling NFTs, and NFT security. Next. Second course, NFT Fundamentals, Buy, Create and Sell NFTs. This course is designed by George Levy, award-winning instructor blockchain, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. By this course, you can learn the key elements of non-fungible tokens and including how to buy, create and sell your own NFTs. How to use popular platforms used in the buying, creation and selling of NFTs. Next. Course number 3. The Complete NFT Web Development Course, Zero to Expert. This course was designed with the latest NFT tools, including the Solidity compiler, Truffle, and Web3 patterns. This course teaches you how to build an NFT marketplace in depth, from total scratch, as well as some of the most modern and best employable tools out there for web development. It's rated as best-selling course, and the course duration will be 24 hours and rated 4.4 out of 5. Course number 4. NFT Crypto Masterclass, Buy, Sell and Create NFTs. This NFT course will take you from beginner to mastery and give you the clear understanding of non-fungible tokens. You will learn how to buy NFTs with a debit/credit card without owning crypto. Different techniques on how to create NFT. How to find NFT projects early and buy NFT before it's on the marketplace like OpenSea. How to keep an eye on the upcoming NFT projects. This course is instructed by Petko Alexandrov and the course duration will be 6 hours. Course number 5. NFT Masterclass, Buy, Create and Sell NFTs. This course is instructed by Claudiu Ivan and the course begins by understanding NFTs historically, analyzing the technology behind them, gradually going through each stage. By end of this course, you will find information on how you can make money from royalty. How to protect yourself from scams. How to set up your OpenSea or Rarible account. Course number 6. The Complete NFT Non-Fungible Tokens Course, Art and Tech. This course is instructed by TJ Walker and Clarion North. It designed for artists, technologists, and art collectors. This course will help you to learn the investing and the creation side of NFTs and new opportunities. How NFTs are useful for artists, businesses, music, sports, content creators and technology. How to use OpenSea. How to use Coinbase. How to add metadata and unlockable content to NFT. Course number 7. NFT Investing Masterclass, Pro Tips about NFT Investing. This course is instructed by Enrique Sentiero, and the course time will be 5.5 hours. In this course, you will learn everything about types of NFTs, investing in NFTs, blockchain protocols, NFT evaluation tools, NFT community tools, how and when to sell your NFTs, NFT lingo and slang. Course number 8. Create NFTs, Tokens and DAOs, Smart Contracts Masterclass. This course is instructed by Enrique Sentiero, and the course time will be 3.5 hours. From this course, you will learn all the essentials about smart contracts such as what smart contracts are, how to create them, important tools to facilitate the deployment of smart contracts. What are the ERC-20, ERC-721 and ERC-1155 token standards, how do they work and what are their main use cases? Course number 9. NFTs Essentials Training Course 2022. It is designed by Amir Reimer and it's 11 hours course. Amir will teach you the basics of NFT, blockchain, and crypto. Why you should create and sell NFTs. How to build an audience who will be waiting for your NFTs to go on sale. How to list your NFT on SoulSea to reduce gas fees. How to list your NFT on OpenSea. How to set up a MetaMask wallet and fund your MetaMask wallet. Final course. Number 10. The Ultimate NFT Course 2022, Buy, Sell, Create and Trade NFTs. This course is instructed by Joshua George. He is the founder of the award-winning SEO agency in the UK called ClickSlice. By taking this non-fungible token course, learn the basics of NFTs and how they work. How to validate those NFT projects and get whitelist on those projects. How to trade NFTs on the secondary market. How to set up your crypto wallet and deposit money into it. Thank you.